We all want strong bones, bones that can carry us through life, bones that resist the wear and tear of time. But strong bones don't just happen, they need our help. They need the right nutrients, and that's where broccoli comes in. This unassuming vegetable, shaped like a tiny tree, is a powerhouse of bone-boosting nutrients. Broccoli is like a superhero in disguise, protecting our skeletal system from within. Why is bone health so important? Our bones provide structure. They support our bodies. They protect our organs. Without strong bones, we risk fractures, osteoporosis, and a diminished quality of life. But we can fight back. By incorporating broccoli into our diets, we're making a choice for stronger, healthier bones. Broccoli's strength lies in its rich nutritional profile. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and unique compounds that work synergistically to support bone health. We're talking about calcium, vitamin K, sulforaphane, and more. These nutrients are the building blocks of strong bones, helping to maintain bone density and prevent age-related decline. Calcium is the superstar of bone health. It's the primary mineral that gives bones their strength and structure. Think of calcium as the bricks that build a sturdy house. Broccoli is an excellent source of this vital mineral. By consuming broccoli regularly, we provide our bodies with the raw materials they need to build and maintain strong, resilient bones. But calcium alone isn't enough. It needs a partner in crime, and that's where vitamin K steps in. Vitamin K acts like the mortar that holds the calcium bricks together. Without enough vitamin K, our bodies can't effectively utilize the calcium we consume. This leads to calcium being wasted, not incorporated into our bones where it's needed most. Broccoli is a fantastic source of vitamin K, ensuring that our bodies can make the most of the calcium we ingest. This powerful duo, calcium and vitamin K, working together in broccoli, forms the foundation of strong and healthy bones. It's like a dynamic partnership, ensuring that our skeletal system gets the support it needs. Now let's talk about sulforaphane, broccoli's secret weapon. This unique compound, found abundantly in broccoli, possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Why is this important for bone health? Because chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our bodies, including our bones. Over time, inflammation can weaken bone tissue, making us more susceptible to fractures and osteoporosis. Consuming anti-inflammatory foods like broccoli is like giving our bodies a fighting chance against this silent threat. Sulforaphane helps to combat inflammation, protecting our bones from the inside out. Research suggests that sulforaphane may also play a role in preventing osteoarthritis, a degenerative joint disease that often affects the elderly. While more studies are needed to confirm this potential benefit, the early evidence is promising. Broccoli, with its sulforaphane content, emerges as a potential warrior against this debilitating condition. Broccoli isn't just a nutritional powerhouse, it's a culinary chameleon. This versatile vegetable can be enjoyed in countless ways, making it an easy and delicious addition to any diet. From steaming to roasting to stir-frying, the possibilities are endless. Add it to soups, stews, salads, or simply enjoy it as a healthy side dish. Broccoli's mild flavor profile makes it a welcome addition to any meal. Its vibrant green color adds visual appeal, making healthy eating more enticing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cooking methods and seasonings to find your favorite ways to enjoy this bone-boosting cruciferous vegetable. Beyond its bone-strengthening properties, broccoli offers a wealth of other health benefits. It's packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes gut health. It's also a good source of vitamins A and C, antioxidants that protect our cells from damage. Broccoli is a true superfood, supporting overall health and well-being. Incorporating broccoli into our daily lives is a simple yet powerful step towards stronger bones and a healthier life. Here are a few tips to maximize broccoli's benefits. Choose fresh, vibrant broccoli florets. Look for firm stalks and compact heads with a deep green color. Don't overcook it. Steaming or stir-frying broccoli lightly helps to preserve its nutrients and vibrant color. Get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different recipes and seasonings to find what you enjoy most. Make it a family affair. Encourage everyone to enjoy this bone-boosting vegetable. By embracing broccoli and making it a regular part of our diets, we're investing in our bone health and overall well-being. Stronger bones mean greater mobility, reduced risk of fractures, and a better quality of life as we age. So let's raise a floret to broccoli, the tiny tree with mighty benefits.